Solana, new all-time high, incoming. Well, welcome back to the Crypto Astro channel, bringing a radical, innovative new approach to crypto analysis, combining technical analysis with astrology. None of this content is financial or investment advice. This content is intended for entertainment and informational purposes. Well, here's the Solana chart. We are up at 216. Glad I bought down here. But we are heading towards the all-time high on this chart, 258. Let's check that on this chart. This chart says it's around 261. Okay, it depends on the chart that we're looking at, but man, it is only, how far is that from the all-time high? About 19% away. All right, so we're getting very close, dangerously close, as Bitcoin is just taking off like a rocket ship. Solana is starting to do so as well. And we are getting a really nice pump off of the, let me go here, this 21 SMA moving average line. This is the line that we want to stay above, and we just got a mega launch off of that. Meme coins are going crazy. Altcoins are starting to go crazy. I mean, look at Dogecoin. Holy moly. So this is the, the Trump and Elon Musk, really the Elon Musk pump there. Wow, that is crazy. We look at the Solana market cap. The interesting thing here is that on the Solana market cap chart, we are actually above the market cap of the previous all-time high. So that is very good news. The previous all-time high market cap was 79 billion. We are at 102 billion. So we have now Solana has a higher all-time high market cap. Amazing. All right, so super, super bullish. Not to say that we couldn't get a nice little correction here at some point. Yeah, but it's dangerous to go against the trend, and the trends are up right now. But yeah, we'll see if we end up getting a correction at some point. Difficult to predict that. I'll dive into more of the specifics on that. Now, really interesting. Here's the Solana searches on Google. All right, super high value here. Information to look at. This graph. We got an all-time peak here in September of 2021. Interesting that we got the all-time high peak before the actual peak on Solana, because the actual peak was, I believe, wasn't it in November? Maybe let's double check that. Yeah, November 9th. Just like everything else peaked in crypto then. But interesting that we got more Google searches a couple months before in September, and it actually started falling down, and then it got a second pump when the all-time high happened. But it actually got lower search volume during the all-time high than a couple months before, so that's really interesting. Also interesting, we got some major pumps in the Google search for Solana at the end of December 2023, when we were getting mega pumps for Solana. We go back to December. Yeah, that was right around here. I mean, Solana was just breaking out like crazy. Then it kind of fell off, interestingly enough, and then it got another peak in March when we got that major peak there at 208. Okay. And then Google is predicting, or it's still gathering the data, but it looks like we're going off on another major pump. Man, so could this all-time high be coming in very soon? This is honestly sooner than I was expecting. But man, look at this price action. Zoom out here. Wow. I mean, we could be heading up fast. So we're definitely going to keep our eyes on this. Really, really, really important information here. We look at the charts again. We go to the weekly scale. Oh, yeah. The weekly close is really nice. We got a weekly close at 209. We do want to close above 210, this previous peak here. So that's one thing we still have not got. We have not gotten a weekly close above this previous peak. So that's something to note. We are getting more volume, but we're not getting super high volume. So very slight concern there. Let's see. We still haven't gotten the 2-week close yet. But yeah, we definitely want to, this week we want to close above 210. That's important. And that day will come on the 18th. So we have like 6 more days to go. So we'll see if we get a dump or not between now and then. Another thing we can look at is the RSI. RSI is looking good. It's breaking out from this downward trend, shooting up there. And then the stochastic RSI is doing very well, just shooting up like a rocket ship. The last time we were this high was back in October when Solana was breaking out in a major, major way. We look at the 2-week. Even the 2-week is breaking out. That's looking really bullish. And really good news for the monthly is like this was not looking good ever since March. Been falling off a cliff. We just made a stochastic RSI cross up, so that's really good. You see this, the blue line going up, crossing the orange line. That means momentum is going up, and that's on the monthly scale. So on the macro scale, that's really good. 2-month, we don't get much data there. But man, all things are looking positive. Besides that slight concern. Oh, let's look at let's see, the monthly close. Okay, we're still not done with this candle, so we're still waiting on that one. But yeah, everything's looking good just besides this weekly close was slightly below. Oh, I guess maybe it's right on the dot. Is it right on the dot of this previous all-time high? Let's see. This is close call here. It's right about, wow. It's right on the dot. So we got the weekly close right at this exact peak here. That's interesting. Maybe slightly higher. All right, that's interesting. Did it close higher than this previous peak? It might also depend on what exchange we're looking at. Oh, it actually did on Coinbase. Just barely. Barely. If we look at this, the previous peak was right here. And it closed barely above it. Wow. Let's check out this one. Binance. Let's do the same thing. How did Binance do? Yeah, it looked like, okay, it closed just barely above it, but we probably want to get even more clear signal of a weekly close above this. So we want to get well above 210 that would be nice. Let's ask for that. All I want for Christmas is a weekly close above 210 for Solana. Okay. Good stuff. What are you guys thinking? Are you guys feeling super bullish right now? Are you guys feeling super excited? What's the vibe right now? Do you guys think we're just going to like go to the moon right now? Is anyone cautious or is everyone bullish right now? Have your parents asked you about Bitcoin yet? That's really interesting because I did get a text from my godfather. I think I have yeah, I do have I did get a text. Here it is. Yeah, my godfather sent this article about Bitcoin, and then my dad's chiming in. So we're getting, yeah, I mean, when we get those texts from our family, we know that things are, retail's starting to come in, or at least retail's eyeballs are coming in on this. Maybe they still haven't pulled the trigger. Maybe retail is starting to buy. Search trends are going up. All right, so very, very interesting. Potentially a lot of momentum coming into crypto. Okay, let's do what we do on this channel. We look at the astrology, okay? So I literally took the date that Solana launched, the time, and basically the birthday of Solana. and we can run a birth astrology chart off that. And I'm an expert crypto astrologer. I've been doing this for years, and it has been quite accurate, and it gives us an edge on the crypto markets. How would you like it to have an extra edge that 99% of other investors don't have? Because, you know, a lot of people don't even look at this, nor do they have the crypto astrology knowledge and experience to be able to navigate this, to be able to read this information and compile it and compare it to the technical analysis using the best of crypto astrology and technical analysis, combining the two. I'm one of the only few people in the world that does this. All right, so take advantage. Click that subscribe button. Please support this channel. Let's boost this out to more people so they can also get the crypto astro edge in these crazy volatile markets. Exciting markets, shall I say, at these times. So we are getting a nice Solana peak, a new, not an all-time high, but a new peak here right around this very bullish transit on the 12th. Now, this is Pacific Standard Time, so we still haven't finished the 12th, so there could be a little bit more upside to go. We'll see. Good news is we also have another super hot bullish transit coming in on the 24th. So Uranus trining this Solana Pluto. That's super bullish. And that goes all the way into December too. We get some more bullish. Yeah, this is bullish. Venus trining the Solana Uranus on the 16th. Also the Sun sextiling the Solana Pluto on the 16th. Yeah, we're getting all these bullish transits. So we could have more upside to go. And then Pluto goes into Aquarius, which could potentially be very bullish for crypto in general. Man, this could be sending us into new all-time highs. Potentially by the end of December. Because also this transit is bullish. Mars sextiling the Solana Venus. We are getting this one too, slight negative, but squares aren't always negative. Sometimes they can be bullish too. So this, I'm leaning bullish into December as well. So good news. And then this transformative transit heading into next year, but we'll dive into that. That's a very interesting transit. We'll dive into that in the future. Man, this is looking good overall. Yeah, man, green lights for crypto, green lights for Solana. I don't necessarily know if I would be buying at these prices if you're not in. I mean, I bought much lower, so I'm doing well. So hopefully you bought at much lower prices than they are now. Then you're sitting in profits. But I also have an announcement. I have this upcoming exclusive free training, the Astrological Edge, the 3 biggest crypto mistakes to avoid and the secrets to maximize profits. Check this out in the link below. Click the link in the description box below this video. You will learn all these incredible things. Basically how I've been getting 89% accuracy in my crypto astrology analysis the last couple years, how you can get the edge on this crypto market with this information, combining astrology with technical analysis to maximize your profits during this bull run. This could happen fast. This could be in the next month and a half. It could lead into next year. I'll be diving more into that on my private Crypto Astro Mastermind call next week. But I'm running this one. Hate to throw too much information at you, but I'm running this specific training by the end of this week on November 14th, coming up very soon, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which I believe is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're in Europe, you got to convert those times. Not totally, I don't know all the exact time zones. But definitely, if you're interested in this, definitely sign up. By the way, guys, this is free for a limited amount of time. Get access to this epic training before it's, while it's still available. Read through this. All you got to do is sign up, type in your email. I will send you all of the details with the link, and I will see you there. Happening in very, very soon. A couple days here. All right. So thanks everybody for tuning in. Let's see if we have any comments. All right. I guess it's too late. We don't have commenters right now. But Man, enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. And I'll play a beautiful
to the top. By the dip, we won't let this moment stop. Sats in our pockets, we're running on this wave. To the moon we go, in crypto we are brave. The retrogrades got us feeling a bit strange, but we won't let confusion make us change. Crypto, astro, feel the beat in your soul. Money printer, go, it's out of control. Hold on, game strong, we'll never fade away. In this funky rhythm, we'll dance all day. Full moon's here, Bitcoin's in its prime. Bear market fears, we just laugh, it's no crime. Full market vibes, got our gang in the groove. With Satoshi's spirit, we're ready to move. Not your keys, not your coins, that's the game. We'll hold tight now, we're all the same. Crypto, astro, feel the beat in your soul. Money printer, gold, it's out of control. Hold on, gang strong, we'll never fade away. In this funky rhythm, we'll dance all day. To the moon we'll fly, in the stars we'll play. In the crypto universe, we find our way. To the moon we'll fly, in the stars we'll play. In the crypto universe, we find our way.
Thanks everybody for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.